During my journey exploring the Central Highlands of Vietnam, I was not only captivated by the vast green forests, rolling hills, and towering communal houses, but also deeply impressed by the unique culture and friendliness of the local people. From the moment I arrived in the villages, I was greeted with genuine smiles and warm hospitality. They readily shared stories of their lives, customs, and cultural values preserved through generations. As night fell by the flickering firelight in the village square, I immersed myself in the enchanting atmosphere of the gong culture. The sound of the gongs echoed through the mountains, recounting the age-old stories of the villages, creating a feeling that was both sacred and intimate. I also enjoyed the clear sound of the tirung instrument, emanating from cleverly arranged bamboo tubes, creating simple yet vibrant melodies. Every musical instrument, every dance, and every smile of the people contributes to creating a Central Highlands full of unique character and unforgettable memories. The trip not only gave me unique cultural experiences, but also helped me understand more about the rich spiritual life of the ethnic groups in the Central Highlands. Even after leaving, I will always remember this vast land with its hospitality and sincerity. What I remember most is the friendliness and sincerity of the people of the Central Highlands. They enthusiastically guided me through the villages, introduced me to traditional dishes, and invited me to participate in the lively zone dances. The moments spent gathered around the campfire, enjoying rice wine and listening to stories about the mountains and forests helped me feel the warmth of the people here even more deeply.